haunting the halls with fun. Hilton at Island Elementary School is turning the page to Halloween with its annual Book-O-Ween celebration. The event brings together the best of both worlds, Halloween excitement and a love for reading. Students are dressed as their favorite book characters and are parading through the hallways, showing off their creative costumes and storybook spirit.
I'm the witch from Room on the Broom. I like reading this book because it was one of my childhood favorites. I like reading because I get to go into another world. It's like I get to place myself there, like as if I'm a spectator there.
I am the Lorax, and I really like this book because he's really funny, and I like Dr. Seuss.
I'm the witch from The Wizard of Oz. I like this book because I grew up reading it with my grandma, and now my sister likes it. And I like reading because it takes me to another world. To me, I feel like I'm in that book. I'm a character. I'm watching it.
This school tradition is all about sparking a lifelong love of reading.
The purpose of the parade is to encourage reading, to celebrate Halloween, and to give kids the opportunity to be creative and come dressed as a character from their favorite book.
Throughout the day, special guests are stopping by to share their favorite Halloween books with students. Superintendent Dr. Rodriguez read to several classes.
Out came a spider wearing a top hat.
As well as student athletes from the University of South Carolina, Beaufort.
Little Ghost and his mom have been haunting their creaky old house.
And students from Hilton at Island High School.
Abracadabra!
I just thought it would be fun to kind of read to them on Halloween, because I know that when I was younger, I always loved looking up to the big kids, and I thought it would be really fun to sit down, read with them, see all their costumes from their little parade that they did.
I really enjoyed reading them the books, but I also like talking to them afterwards and seeing all they had to say, and they're just so creative and imaginative with everything they have to say, and they're just so fun.
This is the 4th year the school has hosted the Book-O-Ween celebration at Hilton at Island Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.